Hello and welcome back. So today we're going to talk about how to install SCCM 2012 Service Pack 1. Now there are many different versions out there. I'm starting with 2012 Service Pack 1 so I can, in future videos, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to the latest version, which is 1802. So with that, there are some prerequisites that I've already installed. On my website on mynextech.com, you'll see all the prerequisites that you need to install in order to install SCCM. So today we're going to talk about SCCM installation. Now I've already installed SQL and I've already installed all my prereqs on the server. So now all we have to do, I've already launched my SCCM CD. Let me see if it's loaded. It's not connected. And give it a second. Alright, just give me 1 second here. Alright, so I got my SCCM CD installation. I'm going to go ahead and launch that. It'll launch the splash screen. Click on the install. Now this is going on a lab environment that I'm creating. Next, you want to click on the, now I'm only going to do a primary site server. I don't need a CAS. If you are installing multiple primary site servers, then you'll want to also install the CAS, which is the Manager Central Administration site. But this is just going to be one primary site, so I don't really need to add that. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. Yes. And then I need to put my key in there. So just give me 1 second. I put the key in there. And pause for a second. Alright, I put in my key. So now go ahead and accept. You're going to need to select each one of these 3 items for the licenses. And then I'm going to go ahead, I think I've already downloaded this already, so I'm going to go ahead and use that drive, that folder. Yep, there it is. Now if you haven't downloaded already, you can select the first one so we can download all the files, but I've already done this already, so I'm just going to go ahead and select this option. And I'll go ahead and check those files, make sure they're all there. Now I'm going to give it a unique site code. Once you enter in the site code, you can't change it again. So make sure you pick something that's, you know, relevant to your environment or the what you're doing there. So I'm just going to call it that's going to be me. Yep. That's all you gotta do. And I want to join, so I'll go next. And then these are a summary of what's going to be installed. And it's going to go ahead and check the prerequisites. Make sure that you have all of the prerequisites installed, like the SQL, all of the IIS components, all of that stuff. Now it did give me a couple warnings, which is fine because you know it's just small VM, and so I have configured my memory usage according to this VM, but SCCM didn't really like it. But it's a warning, so as long as you didn't get any errors, you should be fine. So it's going to go through, and it may take, this will take a few minutes to go through the checks. As long as you didn't get any errors, you'll be good to go. And I know that I have bits installed and enabled. And I can probably check that. Alright. Now again, if there's certain things that, that's it. So those are it. So let me just go ahead and check my bits. Make sure that's there. It's a warning, so I'll still be able to install. So let me just check it. So yeah, it's there. Okay. Go back in here. Now because it's just a warning, if you have any failed here, you will not be able to install. It'll be grayed out. You'll have to go and fix out any of those issues. Since I don't have any of those, I can technically go ahead and install. So we're going to go ahead and just begin install. Now this will take some time, so I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay, that took about 20 minutes. So the course setup is completed. Click on next, or close actually. And that is it. It is installed. Go ahead and launch the console. And it should connect to the database. And there we have it. We have a fully now we still have to add some components, but I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. But basically all of the components are installed. You still need to install the reporting service point. You still need to install the software update point and the application point. So there's more stuff that we need to do. But again, that's the basic installation of the SCCM primary site server. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will link my website down below. Again, stay tuned for some more videos. Thanks. Bye-bye.